It looked like it was gonna go.
So close.
There.
It's gonna go. It'll go. Pretty exciting.
You just better hope that side stays put.
The slowest fall of all time. It's definitely, I can see it dropping though.
Yeah, I can too.
Come on, fucker. We need the wind to blow a little bit. Okay, wind.
Don't let go, Ben.
I don't know, I might have to cut it some more. But here comes some wind. There we go. I don't know.
Oh.
It's like a bit of dynamite that hasn't gone off.
I might have to cut it some more. I hope you're not filming this whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Insurance and all, you know.
Ben, is this your fault?
No way.
Ah.
Shit. I thought for sure it was gonna go.
All right, I'm pausing.